Understanding the subtle art of saying no when it actually means yes reveals a fascinating cultural puzzle that AI chatbots are struggling to solve. Imagine you're in Iran and your taxi driver refuses to accept your payment, saying something like, "Be my guest this time." If you simply accept their generosity at face value, you might unintentionally cause offense in Persian culture. This is not a straightforward offer, but part of a complex social ritual where you are expected to insist on paying, often multiple times, before the driver finally accepts. This intricate exchange of polite refusals and persistent offers is known as Taarof, a deeply ingrained practice that shapes countless everyday interactions in Iran. But here's where it gets controversial. AI language models, no matter how advanced, are failing to grasp this nuance. Recent research published earlier this month, titled "We Politely Insist, Your LLM Must Learn the Persian Art of Taarof," exposes a significant blind spot in popular AI systems. The study reveals that leading AI models from OpenAI, Anthropic, and Meta correctly interpret Taarof scenarios only about 34 to 42% of the time. In stark contrast, native Persian speakers navigate these social cues with an accuracy of 82%. This gap is consistent across a range of large language models, including GPT-4o, Claude 3.5 Haiku, Llama 3, DeepSeek V3, and even Dorna, a Persian-tuned version of Llama 3, designed to better understand the language and culture. The research team, led by Nikta Gohari-Sadr from Brock University, along with collaborators from Emory University and other institutions, introduced Taarof Bench, the first ever benchmark specifically designed to evaluate how well AI systems can replicate this subtle cultural practice. Their findings highlight a troubling tendency. These AI models default to a Western style of direct communication, completely missing the layered social signals that govern polite exchanges for millions of Persian speakers worldwide. Why does this matter? The researchers warn that cultural misunderstandings in critical situations, such as business negotiations or diplomatic conversations, can lead to serious consequences, including broken relationships and the reinforcement of harmful stereotypes. As AI becomes more embedded in global communication, this cultural insensitivity could become a major obstacle that many in Western tech circles have yet to fully recognize. To put it simply, Taarof is a cornerstone of Persian etiquette, a ritualized form of politeness where the literal meaning of words often masks the true intent. It involves a delicate dance of offering and refusing, repeatedly presenting something despite initial refusals, declining gifts while the giver insists, and deflecting compliments even as the other person reaffirms them. This polite verbal wrestling, as described by Rafieh in 1991, creates an unspoken code that governs how generosity, gratitude, and requests are expressed in Iranian society. And this is the part most people miss. Without understanding Taarof, AI systems risk not only miscommunication, but also alienating users by ignoring the cultural context that shapes their interactions. Could this be a sign that AI development needs to prioritize cultural intelligence as much as linguistic accuracy? What do you think? Should AI models be tailored to respect and replicate such nuanced social customs? Or is this an unrealistic expectation for technology? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.